Hi guys, Lukman here. So welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Apple Watch OEM bands for the Apple Watch Series 6 44mm. So this is very random, and well, if you watch my videos, most of them are random. So here is the packaging. The postal guy just dropped it off. So today is only two because it's a metal band, a bit expensive. Get away. And by the way, I'm talking without a mic, so everything here sounds from the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the video recording here also without any lighting. So this could be like one of the addition to my 12 Pro review. So as you can see, the packaging is simple, like always. Okay, it comes in two parts. I forgot about that. And by the way, there's my daughter. She's playing in the pool and she came out. Okay, so I'm doing this while keeping an eye on her. So this is a bit hard. Okay, what do we call this? We call this as the metal loop. Oh yeah, leather loop. I think the name is a leather loop. Let's put it there. So I got the blue one to match with the iPhone 12, and then there's the black one. So let's put it on real quick. There. Okay, so let's try the black one. I think this one should go into the bottom, at top, I think. But let's just put it on just to see how it looks on the wrist. So just put it like that. Okay, this is a bit awkward to show. Excuse the noise. I'm recording this outdoors. Okay, this is hard because probably the way that I put it on. Okay, so snap it like that, and it will snap with a magnet. Okay, so this is how it looks on my hand, the black color one. Okay, let's remove it and put on the Hannah. Are you okay? Hannah, are you okay? I think she's just getting my attention. Huh? Okay, this time we're going to put this shorter one at the top. See which one will get easier on when putting it on. So let's loop it like this, then put it like this. And then snap it on. Okay, here's the blue one. So looks nice, better than the Nike Sport, of course. Looks premium. So this is for the, what do you say, work kind of setting. So I guess that's about it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like if you like this, dislike if you dislike this, and then subscribe if you want to see more more content like this from me. And then comment down below if you have any suggestions or opinions about my channel and content. And then also let me know if this video helps you. That means a lot to me. And then see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.